kana Ajakguong wani bol nyam dem unda chelu wa ga tiam diga dit to ga tiam ke bor ba ru ga dia production unda chelu wa ga tiam diga dit ya ru mo jera lo unda na ra za re na pon che ba unda chelu wa ga tiam diga dit ya ru mo jera lo Tiga di tiaw de muar jera lewa punana razare na tonje tiga di tiaw de muar jera lewa punana razare na tonje verio alwa kara belar makam nambukanati maniran kuya dinir mai wa betulum joba mariara Alwakar balar makam nambukanati maniran kuya dinir bai wabutulum joba mariara ya dingaben alwakar balar makam nambukanati maniran kuya dinir bai wabutulum joba mariara ya dingaben atung ya agung tung MOWUT kwa kenya agung tong MOWUT MOWUT wong jawale tijala agung tung MOWUT MOWUT wong jawale tijala agung tung MOWUT alwakar balar makam nambukanati maniran kuya dinir bai wabutulum joba mariara ya dingaben alwakar balar makam nambukanati maniran kuya dinir bai wabutulum joba mariara ya dingaben alwakar balar makam nambukanati maniran kuya dinir bai wabutulum joba mariara ya dingaben tiga di tiaw de muar jera lewa undana razare na ponje berio tiga di tiaw de muar jera lewa undana razare na ponje berio tiga di tiaw de muar jera lewa undana razare na ponje berio tiga di tiaw de muar jera lewa punana razare na ponje berio alwakar balar makam nambukanati maniran kuya dinir bai wabutulum joba mariara ya dingaben alwakar balar makam nambukanati maniran kuya dinir bai wabutulum joba mariara ya dingaben alwakar balar makam nambukanati maniran kuya dinir bai wabutulum joba mariara ya dingaben atung ya agung tung MOWUT kwa kenya agung tung MOWUT wong jawale tijala agung tung MOWUT wong jawale tijala agung tung MOWUT alwakar balar makam nambukanati maniran kuya dinir bai wabutulum joba mariara ya dingaben alwakar balar makam nambukanati maniran kuya dinir bai wabutulum joba mariara ya dingaben alwakar balar makam nambukanati maniran kuya dinir bai wabutulum joba mariara ya dingaben.
All of us are doing what is good for the SPLM and the leadership of Salva Kiir Mayardit. Now we have opened the referendum officially and we continue. First time at home, the voting are this
Ajakguong, dari dari kul, kebi MAKUEI lo kan mon kiara cani tu, ini karbala pinum, dan bi pinum berping, kini akala dia tak kira wongi.
Yang apa ngar? Yang apa ngar?
Space, pass by space. Jadi, kalau space orang marah kan ini loh. Ini dia kok jauh ya.
kanati Manieran kuya dinir bai Wabutulum joba mariara ya dengkede Nyawo akung ya akung tong nyawo Manieran kuya dinir bai Wabutulum joba mariara ya dengkede Berada wakar balar makam nembekanati Manieran kuya dinir bai Wabutulum joba mariara ya dengkede Berada wakar balar makam nembekanati Manieran kuya dinir bai Wabutulum joba mariara ya dengkede Nyawo akung ya akung tong nyawo Yawale tilo MOWUT jene kwa kenya
See how defensive he is.
Agunyang ko ay mangi pinali. Agunyang. Apuro no. Ayang mapuro loping. Ayang mapuro bar ko loping. Teka agunyang na siya kwato ko niyan. Hey. Apuro no yin do ping. Apuro no yin do ping. Gunyang ko apuro no. Take out gunyang. Take out gunyang. The last time you take out gunyang, we reached the party here with town. Come a job siko. Like you may job siko no. The last time I am a poor, we reached the party here. You are trying to pay am kachiran white. Pakawatina cool. Find a new site. Juba City, the capital of South Sudan. A poor no. By the payam, we can never pay up. Take care, Gunya. A poor no. Yang mayirial no yang mabor no kwai kwa. Yang really kwai kwa. Yang mabor take care, Gunya. The give at you.
Terekeka.
Apurno uteke akunya. Dai go ara kan la minute. Dai go ni surprise. Ai koi.
That is my prediction. I don't know
This one is heavier than the other one. Yeah.
what
But the other one is too confident.
And
it's very tough. Assistant referee?
Ya, dan
Kita watch video.
kan lamar besit.
Is okay.
يعني سراب ده ما يكويش ده ما يكويش ده 4-0 سراب اللي كان بسرعة سيد ما شمت وده ما ده من زميني أقرب أنا بعرفين بكرة ممكن يكون في سرايا في سرايا هم مبدأ من هنا من نادي من 12 نادي 25 نمبر أنا بقول للمسلمين itu tahu sabab. Kalau grup orang lain, azul dapat grup itu, kursi berkursi surama itu, mai dalam zaran, mai je bukura, kelai, guys, kendem ni nara, tak mundare, tak ada juri kerja, punya lor, ada kira ni jangan kulu, tak perlu, tak mundare, tak perlu fare, tak ada mari waranda, tu mana kakak. Ada orang bunyi, ini ada yang aneh, ada orang bunyi. Ini lah apa nak? Benar ada benar, we know kan? Kimi ada, oke juga pol juri dah. Nak kalau jangan juri, kemudian hari anda bijan dah bila dia bukan kian ke juri, kian juri dah. Apa lu kian mar? Pan jong lagi, pan sentuh kotoria, pan lagi set dia kau juri, ayu ni ar biar tak fish. First of
all, I want to thank the media, Ajakguong, for always following us in whatever wrestling activities we carry out in Cuba. So thank you very much for following us. For attending the wrestling of today, we are very thankful for the two associations, that is both county wrestling associations, Equator Wrestling Association of Central Equatorial State, in which I am the Secretary General. First of all, I want to tell you that my name is Ajakguong, the Secretary General. So, for this association called Equator Wrestling and Dancing Association of Central Equatorial. We are a wrestling body, which is always dealing with the wrestling activities, and the wrestling activities are the arenas in South Sudan which can bring people from all corners so to know themselves and to exist peacefully. So peace is our priority number one in our wrestling activities, all the state wrestling activities. Our objective is one. The objective is peace, and that is why today you can see the very big populations coming from all residents of Juba city, so to attend this region, because it is something which is conducted for peace. Before wrestling, our wrestlers from Central Equatoria did not know that they have brothers from Lake State and from Jonglei. They are now known those of Aledo Unia, those of Majong Jonglei from Jonglei, Majong Shiko, those of Keredanai, they know themselves. So they have now exchanged phone numbers. So whatever happens, they immediately inform them that there is something like this going on good, and then they come together, and then they share the goodness which is in a Lake State and in Jonglei. So the same it happened on May, that the youth from Central Equatorial went to wrestle with the youth from Lake State in history, and that was historic. Something which has never been happened so in life of the youth of Central Equatorial and the youth of Lake State, exceptional in Juba. So today we gathered here to attend the wrestling between the Bor County and the Terekeka County. In fact, we started it well, only that we have some differences arising in Terekeka wrestling body, in which we could not able to finish the wrestling of today. And I want to inform the public that tomorrow morning at 1, we shall all come here. So for this wrestling, for the continuation of the remaining wrestlers. So today we have only 11 those who wrestle, and it seems the Terekeka County is half defeated, but that is not the matter. We hope for the best tomorrow. The 40 remaining will defeat the youth from Jongle. So this is my wishes, and I would like to end here and inform the public to come here tomorrow, and witness what will happen tomorrow again. So those who wrestle today may also wrestle tomorrow, because we set the day of tomorrow be for the second base, which is also 25 by 25, 25 from Terekeka and 25 from Bur County. So we don't know. The two leadership will sit and see whether to continue the remaining 14 or to begin the 25 for tomorrow. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Ajakguong media, all the audience. I really appreciate your patience. Since morning, we delay as people of Bur County, and we came late. So I should have to apologize on that part, because we almost delay the wrestling, but unfortunately we make it. So first of all, I should have to thank everyone who is watching this live television. As Bur County, we are so glad about what we have achieved today. Not the new from this is not the new win for us. We normally did it, so we know it is usual, and we are also eager to earn more. So our counterpart from Mundari, they say they are misunderstanding. So that's why they end the wrestling. But for us, we were not in that position to end the wrestling. So we called the chairman and the secretary, my counterpart, who was next to me before, so that we can continue. But they told us that unless we continue tomorrow, we end it like that. And we accept the defeat. That congratulations to Bur County and congratulations to Jongle State as well. So as up to now, I'm so glad. And I also encourage my fans at Jongle and Bur County to keep on with that spirit of supporting our team. And we're also winning. Also tomorrow, we shall sit after this wrestling, whether we continue at 1 tomorrow or they can come to Chirka. That will be a democratic issue, so we cannot announce now, as he said before. So we are going to decide whether we continue from those remaining 14 or we start afresh from 25. That will be agreement later on. But as for now, today's game has ended like that, 4-0. Bur County has already gone and have remained to give you congratulations, those who have remained. So thank you.
So for me, I just see for the first time seeing the Bur County is well organized. There's not a lot of mess. There's not a lot of things. What was some measures that you guys have did before?
Yeah, thank you, Kamani and Ajakguong. Yeah, Bur County is always organized. Only when people are not well informed to be together at that time. So you must see only 2 people came and disorganized because they don't have leaders. But when leaders come, they take responsibility. So now, all the leaders of Bur County, they have entered. I think you have never seen me. I just came one and did my second time to come as a leader. So when you see those people who came in first, those were not leaders, they just only elders who came with youth. But today, government of Jongle State has come, and leadership of Bur County has come. The chairman is side there, chairman is round. So only but of rain, he could have also give a word of say. So that's what we did. We are always organized, and that is today also. And it start from that day up to now, we go on like that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. Nyai dai. Bana na chi ja nyai dai. Ke cha ting. Kin kana ga go ban mon che baleu ta cha rom ke Bur County. Ana ke dia ni alwel ma di pio pa. Ta mian ga ganna ga re chi lo ko ya bo ga chi be ben. Bana na chi nyai dai Bur ma chi lui. Chi jur chi wa bro. Ki Bur ma lo ke la ke an che ja ni chi Bur yang je ke Bur iri ele ana wa ko war to dia
We need it.
abu lo ya pat abi Bur lo ba lo ya pat akin jiro lo ya kala pat ke jur ga chilanga awal ka pan Bur barai de kar kene wana nang nyan yo da jo lo bi chen mende
Yung iko binyan ko luel.
bi nyan cha lo ba Bur no ke to nyan cha nim ba Bur no ke to nyan cha nim rin cha chama ya ra yo ke ba lo ka
Luel no pio bo no.
Or na ulit kilar irolis. Orang Indo. Ana deng majak. Orang dicir ke betul na.
ata ji be jitan
Jadi.
to ji bi ta ne ke te me do ko ate ra ya re yan ban yan bi ga ka ke ro ra ja ro ba bo ku che a ki la pe le bi pal bo le bi pal che ko na mo wande che jen pele ora ge na to ji bi ta ke ba na che no di so to tan
so adu ninga
Thank you very much, Ajakguong Media. My name is Majak. I'm the Secretary for Information in Greater Bargazar Wrestling Association. Bargazar Wrestling Association, we were the hosts of this wrestling event. Our brothers from Jonglei, our brothers from Terekeka gave us that trust that we should be the one to host them and organize this wrestling for them. So we tried our best and we have organized the wrestling for them. It was so peaceful. It ended peacefully. Very good organization from Jonglei today and also a good organization from Terekeka. Though they had some misunderstanding in between there, but they will solve that themselves. It is their own problem. So the game ended peacefully. And again, we are calling upon the entire public that this same game will be resumed tomorrow. Whether it will be the continuation of what has happened today or it will be a new things that will be discussed by the leadership and it will be announced also through the media houses. So, the same piece can be kan na yoku ting dan ci ban ne jagde ti ku kana dal junu ko ne nyo daga do ko kin ci tiya bay marimo dan mi ne yang batu anan ko po lu junu bi ko nan ko po nyen ko ma to bi ko ne chok pin tin ko ko nyere ko peace. So we call upon the entire public to be peaceful as usual. Because it is only when we develop this game it will unite to the future. And we go media house also actually we pay number thing how could be got how could be got part of what is happening. And we got Lord also we pay them back to new pin. And we actually
thank you.